මොකක්ද සර්?
ඒක තමයි මොකක්ද මොන ලෝකේ ඉන්නවද දන්නේ
නෑ නෑ
කියනවද කනවද නෑනේ
නෑ මොකක්ද කෝඩ් එකක්ද?
yeah what is a code
A straight line segment joining 2 points on a circle.
okay for the like about right okay. So actually a chord is a straight line which joins 2 points on a circle right so if that chord is going through the center we call it with a separate name we call it a diameter hope all of you know it right and now in this part at the beginning we are going to discuss about a theorem which is related to this one of the chord and a straight line segment which is joining this chord at a particular point okay so I would like to request you to write the subtopic Liana, the straight line segment joining center of a circle. She's using English. Straight line segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of the chord in the same circle. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the straight line segment which is joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of a chord in the same circle. වෙන කොහත් ඉන්න කෝඩ් එකක් නෙමෙයි ආ ඒකම සර්කල් එකේ ඉන්න කෝඩ් එකක midpoint එක join වෙන සහ center එක join වෙන line එක ගැන කතා කරන්න යන්නේ. All right. So can everyone draw this figure? Draw a circle with center. Probably we will use center as O. The center O. Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, පොතේ තියෙන එක අඳින්න කිව්වේ නැද්ද?
I asked you to draw the part in this. අර මුලින් තියෙන කන්දින කිව්ව හන්දනේ.
ඔව් ඒ දෙක ඇන්දා.
Okay. ඒ දෙක නෙමෙයි මම මේ අඳින්න කිව්වේ.
වෙනම එකක්ද?
This is A. Only this. B. Right? And AB is the chord and O is the center. If you want, you can write by your side. O is the center, and AB will be the chord. This center ලියන විදි දෙකක් තියෙනවා right දන්නවනේ US and UK English somebody can say but English is English anyhow there are two formats that you can write it center so same thing center All right, so this will be the line which is joining. Let that point be, let's appoint a letter for that point. Let that point be C, the intersection point of the chord, midpoint of the chord. Oh, C will be the midpoint of the chord. Maybe it's a chord, right? So AC here, AC will be equals to CB. After drawing this, you may write O is the center, AB is the chord, C is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, AC will be equals to CB. Right. So with this, there's a theorem related to this one. So you may write the theorem under this, underneath this theorem. Okay. Hope you have written it. Now write the theorem. The straight line segment the straight line joining the midpoint of the chord and the center of the circle is perpendicular to the chord. So this will be the theorem which is related to this particular circle and the chord and the line. Okay, after writing this, you may write this one. Therefore, the line OC is perpendicular. The line OC is OC is perpendicular to AB. So this is the theorem. All right. All right. So with this theorem, I would like to go to the formal proof of the theorem. No one please write this. Good liyan pa. So has everyone written this? May I erase this part? Shall I erase this part? Have you finished writing? Hopefully you have finished. Make element in that. Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll consider this. Liana, no, don't write. Formal proof. Have a look at this. So what are the data given in here? So when we are going for the proof, you will require some data. So not much data is given. So you can say that AB is a code of the circle with center O. So that will be the most convenient data given, and you can state that C is the midpoint as well. So you can say C is, have a look at, don't write down, C is the mid, I will give you plenty of time to write. C is the midpoint of AB. Okay, so this is the data given, and then you will need to write what is the next step? To prove that TPT, right? TVP, right? Don't write. So to prove that, so what do you need to prove? Yes, OC is perpendicular to AB. Or you can say that angle OCB equals to 90 degrees. Same thing, huh? Taking a clear. And going for the formal proof, actually before going for the proof, I will need a small construction. So I will do it here, joining these 2 points. All right, like this. Right. Let's take a small eraser. Since it is a construction, I would like to draw it the dotted lines. All right. So so you better write the construction as well. Construction, join the points OA and OB. Okay, now you can go for the proof. I've write it here, so it will be crystal clear. Okay, no, we'll write it here. So going for the proof, so where we can start, actually showing this on 90 degrees is a really simple, going with the congruency, right? We have learned about congruency so far. So going with congruency and with this construction, proving that the two triangles AOC and OCB are congruent, and then turning on to the corresponding elements will be the method that we can use to prove it. So with this data and all these things, so tell me what is the most suitable case that we can use to prove this. Yes, Dulari can suggest me the most convenient method that we can use here. Dulari, I hope that you can hear me. You're in the class, yes? Hello. Not responding. Yes, Netmi, Dulari's friend. tell me, not Chetana, tell me what is the most suitable case that we can use here? Not responding? Chamat, what can you say? What is the most suitable way? The suitable case?
SSS.
Yeah, probably SSS would be easy because we don't have any data about the angles, right? So what do we have here? We have data about the side lengths. So the most convenient case is using SSS. So before writing the proof, I have given you the methods to do it, right? So you have to indicate, mention in the triangles. What are the triangles that we are going to consider? A, O, C, and O, C, B. Okay, O, B, O, C, anything. So what is going to happen in here? So we are going to prove that by using SSS. So we will go to the corresponding elements, right? So it is given that AC equals to CB. What is the particular reason? C is the midpoint, or you can indicate it as a data. C is the midpoint. Okay, and what about this A, O, and OB? What is the reason that they are equal? They are the radii. Circle radius. AO can radius, OB can radius. And what about OC then? OC will be common, right? So you can write it. OC is common. Understood? Right. So we have written all these three cases, reasons. So you can say that therefore the triangle AOC is congruent to the triangle BOC under the case of SSS. Okay, so you can say this is not finished by now. So what can you say? Therefore, the corresponding element OCA will be equals to OCB. Why I have only considered this element? Why don't I write the other rest of the elements? No need of writing, right? Because අපිට ඕන එක ලිව්වොත් විතර ලකුණු දෙන්න. මෙන්න නලලට අරන් ලිව්වට ලකුණු දෙන්නේ නැහැ. This is mathematics, not literature, right? Literature නම් මොකද කරන්නේ? කවිය ලියපු එකාගේ ආච්චිගේ ඉඳන් ලියනවා. Right? So in mathematics you no need to write. It should be straightforward answers. Okay? So this is corresponding elements. So you no need to write. මේ සමහත් මේක online තමයි ඉගන්නේ. හරි? මෙහෙමයි ඒ blah blah බයිලා වැඩක් නැහැ. Right? You have to write the particular reason. You will get marks. Writing for වැල්ලට අරන් you will not get any marks. So these two are equal. So what can you say? And ACB will give you is given by the sum of OCA and OCB. Is that clear? So ACB is a straight line which is 180 degrees. This is equals to therefore 2 times you can say OCB. Why? Since they are equal, you have shown it above. And then you can say that the magnitude of OCB will be equals to 180, these 2 times, 180 divided by 2, which is 90 degrees. Is that clear? Okay, therefore, what can you say? The line OC is perpendicular to the line AB. So this is the formal proof of this theorem. තේරුණාද? ෆෝන්ස් වලින් බලන අයට නම් sorry තමයි මේ පැත්ත පොඩියට තමයි පේනවා ඇත්තේ, but I can't do anything. So hope that everybody is clear with that. I did very slowly, so you can write it. Putala, you have to mark these letters either in the same diagram or better you draw it another one. Okay, quickly. Now write it down. Try to do it by yourself. If you get mistaken, you can look at this. Let me know if you have finished.
Finish.
Lama ivarada? Dulari, have you finished? Chamath?
Finish.
ඉවරයි
ඉවරයි.
සර්.
All right, guys. So let's go to our next small exercise in your textbook. Here. If you have a pencil, you can do it in your book itself. You are asked to find the value of x, magnitude of the angle. So you can use the theorem that you have learned just now. No proofs, huh? Just finding the magnitude. Nothing to prove. So I will give each of you the chance. So everybody, please do this first six that is shown in the screen.
Sir, ඒව අඳින්න ඕනේද?
No need to take. Oh, I hope that all of you have your textbook. ඔය මේ ඔයාලා බලන් ඉන්න device එකේ මොකුත් අඳින්න බෑ. හරි monitor එකේ එහෙම. මම ගුටි කන්න වේ අම්මගේ අයිතිකාරයාගේ. අමුන්ගේ නෙමෙයි ගොඩක් කරන්නේ. එහෙනම් take your textbook and take a pencil. ඔය පොතත් උඹලගේ නෙමෙයිනේ. ආණ්ඩුවේ නිකන් දීපුවානේ. ඒකින්ද pencilක් අරගෙන කරුණා කරලා ලාවට පුළුවන් තරම් තදට උඩ නැගලා ලියන්න නැතුව ආපෝ මකලා කෙනෙක්ට පාවිච්චි ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන විදිහට please find it on your textbook itself. අඳින්න තව ගණන් තියෙනවා. දැනට මේ ටික හදමුකෝ ඉක්මනට practice වෙන්න. නිකන් අර බයිට් එකට වගේ ඉක්මනට හදන්න. I will ask from each of you. එක එක නයි මම අහනවා.
සර්
Yes?
සර් එක්සර්සයිස් කීවෙනි එක්සර්සයිස් එකද?
ඉතින් මම ඔය හැබැයි පිටුවේ තියෙන 27.1.
හරි.
හොඳයි යමු. Right, guys, I hope that you have finished. Yes, Netpi Chetana, tell me the value of first x. 60 degrees. Yes, it is correct. So this is 60 degrees. And yes, let me friend Shalika, the value of x in here. Unmute and speak. The value of x in here. Hurry up. I know. Need done. Phone gone with all ethical. Yes. Nirma, Anirma, Resolu. What is the value of x in here?
45.
Yeah, exactly. It is 45. So writing on the PDF is a little bit difficult. By the way, I'll try my best. I guess 45. Yes. Samat, what about this? Guys, 1 minute. I have a call from the office. Guys, okay. I'm sorry. Let me give Mandini chance for Mandini. Tell me the value of x in here. Mandini, what is the value of x in here? Go on, All right, Mandini, nanti mega uttara. Huh? All right, guys, I'm sorry. Some university stuff. Yeah, කවුරු මේක හැදුවේ නැද්ද? කියන්න හදපු මල්මි. What is the value of x here? කිසිම කෙනෙක් නැහැ. Hopefully this is 90. කියන්න බෑ. 20 degrees.
20.
කියන්න බෑ හදපු විදිය. Yes.
මෙතන O එකෙන් මේ perpendicular වෙලා PQ කෝඩ් එක bisect වුනහම එන්නේ 90 degree නේ.
Yes, exactly.
එතකොට OS කියන්නේ straight line එකක්. ඒ හින්දා මේ අතන 90 degree වලින් අඩු කරාම එන angle එකෙත් 90 degree වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ triangle එකේ එකතුව බලුවාම අර x එක තියෙන ඒ ඇංගල් එකේ ගාන එනවා.
Yes.
ඊට පස්සේ අතන රේඩියස් දෙකක් හින්දා OP OS දෙක equal වෙන
Yes. Yeah, exactly. That is the thing. Here,
equal වෙනවා.
yeah, you got an
ඊට
interpretation.
පස්සේ 55
Well, make adu karna. Yes. So you can get that. So exactly it is correct. So this is 90 as well. So and yes, 90. I need a very yeah, it is 90. So this is 55, and these are radii. OP and OS are equal, which means the opposite angles are equal in magnitude. So this will be also 55. The magnitude from here to here it is 55, and this is 90. This is 55. So this is 20. Yes. Mistake. Okay, wait. Okay, right, guys, back again. So what about the magnitude of x in here? I'll give the chance to leave it up. X in here. Go නැද්ද එපා? Huh? No, Chamak, how did you get this magnitude of x in here?
70.
Exactly, it is 70. You are correct. So x in here is 70, and okay, good. So what about this x in here? I will give the chance to call the question. Third question එක තේරුන්නේ නැහැ. මේක. Wait. මේක යන්න බෑ එහෙනම්. Wait, Mandini, I'll discuss it at the end. Wait 1 minute. Fifth one, the magnitude of this one is 100 and other brand
135.
yeah, exactly, it is 135. So magnitude of x in here is 130. The writing in this one is very difficult. Anyhow, 135. Okay. So what about this magnitude?
120.
Yeah, exactly, it's 120. So let's take your figure out there for your purpose. Share over here. Drop a message here. The unmute when I don't know really what has happened. Okay, anyhow. So Mandini, in this one, you have the problem. Can we erase this now? Here, you can see that this is 90 degrees. Is it clear? You need to speak. මට තේරුණා නැද්ද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් අපේ කෙනා කතා කරන්නේ. මේක 90 තේරුණාද ඒක? With that, this one becomes 90. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. එතකොට මෙන්න මෙතන මම y කියලා ගත්තොත් y plus 90 plus 55 will give you how much? 108.
108.
Okay. then y ගේ magnitude හොයාගත්තා. ඒ කීයද? 180 න් අඩු කරා 145. කීයද එන්නේ? 35. Is that clear?
5.
හරිද?
Okay.
good. එතකොට
හරි sir.
OP සමානයි OS. ඒක දන්නවද? What is the reason? Radii. OP OS ට සමානයි. නේද?
Yes.
එකම circle එකේ radius. Okay. එහෙනම් opposite angles වල magnitude එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙයා මෙයාට සමානයි නම් මෙයා මෙයාට සමානයි නම් මේක සමානයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ magnitude එක මෙන්න මේ magnitude එකට සමානයි. That means x plus y will give you how much? 55.
5.
Okay, so x you don't know the magnitude and y you have found it 35. So altogether this is equal to 55. You can find the value of x equals to how much? Subtracting 35 out of 55 will give you 20.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Hari sir.
Hari. Hondai
Thank
happy.
you, sir.
Yes. Okay. No need to say thank you. Right. That's fine. So now you people, I want you to do the fourth and the fifth exercise in the same exercise in the other page. So, yes, you share this page. Yeah. Do these two questions faster. Draw the figures. Not these are not proofs. You have to just find the quantities. First one they're asking the perimeter, and next one they are asking you some kind of length. So most of the uh, theory part have been finished. So you have to answer these questions quickly. Let's do it. If you have finished the fourth one, let me know. We'll discuss it and then we'll move to the fifth one quickly. Yes, guys and girls, have you finished? Still not? Time is enough, right? So let's take the fourth question first and then we'll move to the fifth one. So in this question, what they're asking, so let's share this slide. Right. So AB and BC are two chords of a circle with center O, right? Okay, you can clearly see that. The midpoints of AB and BC are X and Y respectively. If AB equals 8 centimeters, okay, then this is 4, then this is 4. Okay, so this is 4 and this is 4 then. And BC is 6 and, oh, sorry, then this is 3, no? This is 3 and here also 3 then. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral BXOY. අයියෝ මන් දන්නේ මොනවද මේ අහන්නේ නේද මේක 4යි මේක 3යි හතර පෙරිමීටර් එක ඔක්කොම ටික එකතු කරන්න 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 8 plus 6 will give you 14 centimeters or not square centimeters. That is too much easy. Okay, let's go to the next one. Fifth question. So we'll go here. Yes. The vertices P, Q, R of this triangle, PQR lie on a circle with center O. The midpoints of PQ and QR are AB and B respectively. And the PQ length is 16, which means this is 8, this is 8. OA is 6 centimeters. Here 6 it is. OB is root 19. Okay. Calculate the length of QR. Okay, fine. So, right. Why have they given us this length? is 6 now. Yes, so we have to take a line here. Draw a line from here to here. Here, so we have drawn a line here, which means this is perpendicular. Then here you get a right angle triangle, isn't it? So what you can use? You can apply the Pythagorean theorem and you can find the length of OQ. And then here it is perpendicular. So then you can apply the Pythagorean theorem back again, OBQ to the triangle OBQ. By using that, you can find the length of QB, and then you can use that length to find the length of QR. Okay, that's fine. So OQ will be equal to square root of 8 squared, very bad handwriting, is 8 squared plus 6 squared, which is 10 centimeters if you take simplify this. So this is OQ, and you can move to the other triangle, so which will give you OQ squared will be equals to QB squared plus OB squared. So you can find QB squared by OQ squared. OQ squared then either 10 squared plus root 19 squared means 19 itself. So QB squared is equal to 100 squared, sorry, 10 squared can 100 minus 19, which will give you how much? 81, no? Yeah, it is 81. So this is QB squared, and QB is then 9, root of root 91, sorry, 81, which is 9. So you can find the length of QR. So very easily, QR will be equals to 2 times QB. So then 2 times 9, which is 18 in centimeters. Is this clear? Have everyone finished this? If so, good. So then we will move to the proof parts actually. So with this, I will try to explain you how to do this. Examples. Yes. Go to 27.2 and try question number 2 and question number 3. Take it over here. Yes, guys, try this. All of you. Question number 2, question number 3. Is there anybody who didn't answer this? Can I clear another? So please tell me. If not, I'm going to move to the question. So you can do this second question and the third question. Okay, guys. So right, let's discuss this one. First, second what it says, AB is a chord of the circle with center O. Its midpoint is C. When OC is produced, it meets the circle at D. Show that AD equals AB. Since it is a show that case, it's not a must to go up to go with this all this data and all this. So AB is a chord of the circle with center O. Yes, we can clearly see that. Its midpoint is C. Okay, so then AD equals DB. Yeah. So probably I can see that you will need a construction. Construction joining AD and DB. Okay. Now, all right. So going on with this, its midpoint is C and we OC is reducing. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you can clearly see that OCA equals 90 degrees. What reason? OCA, yeah, it is equal to 90 degrees. The reason behind that, or the reason is the line joining the midpoint and the center of the circle is perpendicular to the chord, right? And then OCA plus OC, sorry, OACD should be equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, ACD equals to 90 degrees, which means it is also perpendicular. You can say similarly the other angle called the DCD is also equals to 90 degrees. So then how can you show that the two are equal? You can use the case SAS, right? How can you use that? The side AC. First, we'll write it the nice way. You can go for the proof. In the triangles ADC and BDC. What's happening in here? මොකද වෙන්නේ මේකයි. AC side එක සමානයි කාටද? C beta is given as a data. So you can directly write as data. Then the angle ACD will be equals to the angle DCB. You have proved it above. Don't just write, you have to prove it above. Okay, you have to prove this. Here we have proved that. And then you can say that DC is common. So you can say, therefore, the triangle ADC is congruent to the triangle DCB under the case of SAS. Right. So with this, you can say, therefore, AD will be equals to DB on the hetu corresponding elements of two congruent triangles. So you better complete that. Corresponding elements, blah blah. Write it nicely. You can write it. Corresponding elements of two congruent triangles. Okay. Hope everybody got it. Anybody who has not completed, you can write it. And with this, I will go to the third question without waste of time. The vertices AB and C of the triangle ABC lie on the circle with center O. Okay, here the midpoint of BC is X. Okay, clearly you can see that. If O lies on AX, O lies on AX, yes, you can see that. Show that AB equals AC. Here also you have a proof. How can you go through that? Yes, you can show that the two triangles are congruent and then corresponding elements make them equal. Okay, so what is the case that you can use in here as well? Can anybody suggest? Prasaduf, what is your suggestion? What is the case that we can use to prove that these two triangles are congruent? No suggestions? I hope that you can use. Yes, exactly, Malmi. It is SAS, right? So using SAS, so in order to use that, so you can show, first of all, you better show that this, no need to show that. Separately, you can write within that. Or you better write it anyhow. AXC equals AXB equals 90 degrees. Ara theorem එක මෙතන ලියන්න. මෙන්න මෙයා. හරි entire theorem එක ලියන්න theorem කියලා එහෙම ලියන්න බෑ. මොකද theorem Pythagoras theorem වගේ ඔන්න exactly නමක් තියෙන එකක් නම් ලියුව හැකියි. But in this theorem you don't have an exact name. That means you have to write the theorem within the brackets. So then you can go to this one. So you can say in the triangles how the ACX and ABX, what happens? CX equals to BX, it is given as a data, and then yes, so these are equal and it is given as a data, and you can see the two angles. Who are they? AX C will be equals to AXB. So you have proved it above. AX is common. So you can say, therefore, the triangles ACX is congruent to the triangle ABX under the case of SAS. Therefore, the two elements AC will be equals to AB. Corresponding elements. of two congruent triangles. Okay, you can write it. All right, so I have done that for you, and yes, so yeah, you have another one to do. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, here the midpoints of the chord AB and BC of the circle with center O and P and Q respectively. So you have to show that the magnitude of the angle POQ is equal to the sum of angle BAC and ACB. Okay, go through it quickly. I'll give you a few minutes. Do you need my help to do this? If you wish, let me know quickly. Other class giliye.
Guys, how the dogs
All right, guys, have you done this? If you don't need my help, I will go to the next part, converse part. So, type the way to do. Livida, if you have any problem, ask quickly. Can you do it? Chama, do you need my help? Prasantu, do you need my help? Anybody who නම් කීපෙ උන්නේ මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න දිනා ඉන්නවා කියන්නේ ඉක්මන.
තියෙනවා.
තියෙනවා. කියන්න. මේක හදන්න තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ එහෙමද? Okay, so this is 90. They are midpoints, so this is also 90. So in both ways, right? 90, 90. So P O Q plus P O Q. Here it is equals BAC. BAC plus ACB. Kila pennanda. Okay, fine. So now, if you consider Samat, the interior angles of the quadrilateral PB cube O. PB cube O, right? What can you write? PB cube plus B cube O plus QOP plus OPB will be equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so do you know about the magnitude of this? No. Do you know about this? Yes, it is 90. So let this be PBQ plus QOP. Do you know the magnitude? No. Let it be QOP. Right? And what about the magnitude of this?
Oh,
Here it is 90, right? OPB is also 90. So this is equal to 360. So you can come to a here PB cube plus cube OP will be equals to 180 after subtracting these 290 from 360. Is that clear? Let this be number 1. Okay, now we will consider, check another color. We'll consider the interior angles of the triangle ABC. All right, Chamath? So now you are going to consider the sum of interior angles of this triangle. What are they? Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle CAB will be equals to 180 degrees. Is it clear? I would like to name this as and you can see that the angle ABC කියන එක නමයි PBQ කියන්නේ. Okay, so instead of ABC I would like to replace PBQ because they are the same angle plus BAC plus CAB will be equals to 180 degrees. I would like to name this as the second one, and now you can see that both 1 and 2 are equal to 180. Therefore, you can say that first one equals to the second equation. Therefore, PBQ plus QOP will be equals to PBQ plus angle BAC plus angle CAB. All right. So what happens here? You can see that PBQ is common in both these. So you can cut them out. So finally you will get remaining with QOP and it is equals to angle BAC and the sum of CAB. Is this the one which you have to prove? Oops. Where's that? Okay, here. Yeah, ACB, CAB, same thing. Have I written the same thing here? මොකක් හරි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා මේ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. CAB තියෙනවා මෙතන. අනිත් එක ACB වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? I have made a mistake. It should be ACB. So here CAB, here ACB. Should be ACB. All right, so this is the one that they have given us. Hope that is clear for everyone. So shall we move on to the converse part quickly? All right. Right. Converse of the theorem. Write the subtopic converse of the theorem. So what this converse theorem gives us? Now if you consider a circle once again, and if you have another chord in the same circle within it, and you have center with that, take a marker here. This. So let this be the center. Pretty much big. All right. So in the other way around, what we have learned in the previous part, it was the theorem. So what the theorem? Theorem says us that the line which is joining the midpoint of the center and the midpoint of this chord will be perpendicular to what? To the chord. Now in the converse way, it will go in the other way around. So what happens in here is, if you have a line which is joining the chord, and if it is joining, sorry, chord and the center, and if it is joining the chord perpendicularly, right? If it is in, meeting the chord perpendicularly, the chord is getting bisected, right? So it is, the converse is like this. Converse of the theorem. perpendicular which is drawn from the center of a circle to a chord in the circle, the perpendicular which is drawn from the center of a circle to a chord of the circle will bisect the chord all of you draw this one. And write it. If the line OC is perpendicular to line AB, then AC equals to CB. කලින් කිව්ව මොකද්ද? මෙහෙම ලයින් එකක් ඇඳලා මේ දෙන්න සමානව කියන්නේ මේ දෙන්න බයිසෙක්ටර්ස් දෙක නැත්නම් සෝරි මේ දෙන්න මේ කෝඩ් එකේ මිඩ් පොයින්ට් එකට නම් මේ ලයින් එක ජොයින් වෙන්නේ මෙයා පර්පෙන්ඩිකුලර් වෙනවා කියලා. දැන් කියනවා අනිත් පැත්තට මෙහෙම පර්පෙන්ඩිකුලර් ලයින් එකක් සෙන්ටර් එකේ ඉඳන් කෝඩ් එකට ඇඳහම ඒ කෝඩ් එක හරියටම දෙකට මැදින් බෙදෙනවා මේ ඉන්ටර්සෙක්ට් වෙන පොයින්ට් එකේ. So this is converse. අර එමනම් මෙහෙමයි මෙහෙම නම් අර එහෙමයි. Right, the time is 2:50 guys. I am going to stop. Adana me high number panti amaru idiya. So 27.3 will be your homeworks. Next day we will do the other exercise, right? Proving riders, and 27.4 there are some little bit difficult stuff, not much as well, but you can try this 27.3 at home by yourself. And if you have any problem, you can come up with that to the next class. I would like to do another class on for you people. So are you guys free on? So is that difficult to join in the evening sessions? If you have any concerns, please put forward. This is an extra class for this month of November. Even though today is the 4th class, I would like to do another one because we had a lot to complete. Anybody who has any?
Sir, හවසට අමාරුයි.
All right, okay. Then can you join in the morning? Then you are not at the home.
උදේට අවුලක් නෑ sir.
But you are going to school, right?
අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ 10 කට්ටියට නැහැ කිව්වා සර්.
10 කට්ටියට නෑ. දැන් ආමල 10. So Naramal Central people 10 o'clock sorry, you are free in the morning. Is that so?
ඔව් sir.
Okay, so it is valid for Chamath, Dulari and Netmi. What about Kegol? What about Kurunegala? And what about Polghavel?
අපි යන්නෙත් නෑ.
අපි යන්නෙත් නෑ. අපිත් strike. Okay. Kurunegala people?
අපිට පටන් ගන්න.
අපි නම් මැරුණත් යනවද එහෙමද? ගෙදර හිටිය ඇතිනේ ගෙවල් වලින් බයිනවනේ අතු ගන්නවත් නෑ මේ රෙද්දක් හොදන්නේ නෑ බුදියනමයි වැඩේ ෆෝන් එක ඔබනවායි වැඩේ හා මේ අහගෙන ඉඳලා එපා වෙලා අපි යනවා නේද? මැරුණත් කමන්නේ මෙහෙම නම් ඉන්නේ නෑ. එහෙමද? ඈ මන්දිනි සත්‍ය සෝදිනේ නේ තුන් දෙනෙක්ම ගෙදරනේ. ගහමරාගෙන ඇති කොහමද? ඈ කියන්නේ කොණ්ඩ? ඕකේ කමන්නේ මෙහෙම කතා කරන්න බෑ මේ වැඩේ. මම group එකේ message එකක් දාන්න ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන අය please present them. දැන් අලව කට්ටියට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ වගේ මට තේරෙන විදිහට. චනුලියාවක් දන්නේ නේ? girls? Okay, girls. Don't know. Message එකක් දාන්න number. Yes. Okay, no one. Yeah, you may present if you have any concern, you may drop a message in the group. So anyhow, we'll do another class within this week. So thank you for coming. By the way, we will finish this on the next day. So all of you, goodbye. So those who need the ඊයේ class එකට ආපු නැති කට්ටිය මම හිතනවා වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න ඇති කියලා. If not, please go through it. And some of you are missing in the today's class as well, so I will drop the same video, recorded video, maybe tomorrow morning. So goodbye. See you next time. So thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.